Dear AI aspirant, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Projects. Today we try to see a string, a data type, a string in Python. Along with that one, we try to see in operator, in with for, and chr and ord, and we try to see the built-in function len, type, min, and max, and we try to import the string module or package and string operations plus and multiplication. So this is the a topic we try to see today. Without further delay, now let us jump into the session. We can represent a string like a name is equal to, within the double quotes we can say it, or we can represent the name is equal to within the single quotes like a Python. So any one you can represent, either single quotes or a double quotes. I can say this is a name underscore 2, this is name underscore 1. So you can print name underscore 1, name underscore 2. Can I run it? This I am making as a markdown, and this is the code. So Python, and here it is the Python. So either you can write in a single quotes or a double quotes. Now if I want to highlight some portion of a string, how can I do? So if I am writing welcome to Python, but Python I want to highlight, I can make it as in a single quotes. If the entire string in double quotes, I can highlight what you want this text or a string to be highlighted. You need to put it in the single quotes. Name. You can see the Python is highlighted. If the entire string, it is there in the double quotes. But if the entire string, if it is there in a single quotes, now how you can need to highlight the Python? Mean you need to write in the double quotes. So this is the one. So a string we can write in the double quotes or single quotes. Within a string, a part of a string, if you want to highlight, if the entire string it is there in double quotes, you need to put it the part of a string in a single quotes, or the entire string in a single quotes, the part of a string should be in the double quotes. It's like vice versa. So this is the one. Next one, what we try to do it out is this functions. Okay, now let us find the length. So name 1, len, and name underscore 1. We can see name underscore 1 is Python 1 2 3 4 5 6 characters are there. So it is printing the len is the 6. Okay, and we try to see it out what it is doing. Min of the name underscore 1, p, and max underscore 1. It is a y. Now let us see what is chr and ord. Chr will take and give it the thing. So now let us see what is this function. So in order to get this one, you can use the help and chr, give it built-in function character, return a unique string of one of the character. Okay, return a Unicode string of the one of the character with ordinal, an integer or ASCII value, so that it can print here. And ORD is the reverse. You can pass character and it can print the ASCII value. Okay, so based on the ASCII value only, it is printing the min or max. Okay, Now the ASCII value for a small letter A will be the 97, but if we see the capital letter, so 65. So this is the observation, you need to make a note of it. Capital letters always having a small ASCII value, small letters always having a bigger value, ASCII value. So this is the observation. Min and max is working on the ASCII values, not on these things. Hope you understood. And now we have seen len type. So the type of this one, you can see it out, type of type of name, you can print it is a string, and if you want to put inside the print, it will try to say class, it will try to say class string. Yeah, so these are the things we have covered. Now let us print character by character. For that one I am using for I in. You want make a note or you want to write a string like this. It will take character by character from here and print I, and I am making end with a see PYTHON. So each character by character it is taking from there and printing. So at the if it is reaching to the end, it will come out of this loop. Yeah. So now let us see if P is there inside the Python. So that is in operator in double quotes PYTHON. Yeah. Now you can see it is there. So that is it is giving. Now I am printing Y. It is there. Now I am printing X. Okay, it is a false. So in operator it is giving a false, but if it's taking for I in, it is taking element by element or character by character from this string and it is printing. But if we are giving like this in it, if it is there inside the string, it will try to give true or false. And this is a single things we have seen. Now let us take a group of things. You can see it is a true. Now we can see YH, it is a true. Now let us see, this is XY, it's a false. This combination, XY combination, it will try to search. So this is the in operator. You can see the in operator with the for loop and with this in also we have checked. So now what we can do, we try to use the string modular package. So for that one I am doing the import of any string. Yeah, if it is installed, it will not throw there, otherwise it will give the error. I am giving the dir command, you can see what are things. So now ASCII letters, ASCII lowercase, ASCII uppercase. Now let us print string dot ASCII lowercase. You can see this is the thing. Now string dot ASCII uppercase. You can see. Now string dot ASCII letters. So you can see it over here. Now let us print all the ASCII values of in a small letters. For I in, you can take string lowercase. This entire thing I am copying to here and colon. So print who will give the ASCII value, so it's nothing but the ORD. So now first of all I am printing f string bracket, I am putting I and its ASCII value is nothing but the ORD of I. Now let us see what it will print. See, A, its ASCII value is 97. So like this, from A to Z it is printing. So now what I am taking is, I am taking the copy and pasting over here. Instead of in a lowercase, I am taking the uppercase. Yeah, repeating this one, you can see 65. So like this, you can use this string to get the characters and print its ASCII values. So now next step, what we can do, now let us move up. Okay, if two strings are there, if we are doing with a place, what is the outcome, and if we are doing the multiplication, what is the outcome, that we try to see and close the session. String 1 is hello, and string 2 Python. Now if I am adding string 1 plus string 2, what is the outcome? It is concatenating the hello with Python. So this operation is allowed. Now I am doing str1 into str2. See, cannot multiply the sequence by non-int type of an, but we can multiply with integer. We can see hello is multiplied with 3 times hello, 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 or you can like this, 3 into string underscore 1 or string underscore 1 into 3. So it can, so only these two operations is allowed, not minus, not divide, floor, or remainder. Such things is not allowed. Only to plus and multiplication. Plus mean two strings it is multiplied, and if it is multiplication mean asterisk symbol mean you need to provide one of them is a string, another one is called as an integer, it's not a float, so it will try to multiply. So these are the things we have seen in our session today. What is a string, what is the in operator, so what is the chr and ord function, len, type, min and max. We have imported the string module and we have seen lowercase, uppercase, entire things we try to identify its ASCII value, and string operations plus and multiplication symbol on the strings, how it is worked. So we try to meet in the next video. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section.